Hey everyone, it's Healthy Lifestyle, and today we're talking about how to get your blood pumping in a good way. We all know how important our circulatory systems are. It's the literal lifeblood of our bodies, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. When our circulation is poor, we feel it. We might experience fatigue, coldness in our hands and feet, even brain fog. Over time, poor circulation can contribute to more serious health issues. But the good news is, there are natural ways to give your circulation a boost. And you know me, I'm all about simple, practical changes that make a big difference. So today, we're diving into the world of beverages. That's right, we're talking about delicious drinks that can help improve your circulation and boost your overall health. Stay tuned, because we're about to unlock the power of these potent potions. First up, we're starting strong with beet juice. This vibrant red drink isn't just pretty to look at, it's a powerhouse when it comes to circulation. Beets are naturally rich in nitrates, and our bodies convert nitrates into nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a vasodilator. It helps widen those blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. Now, you can find beet juice at most grocery stores, but I encourage you to try juicing your own. Simply chop up a beet. Don't forget to wash it first and run it through your juicer. You can add a little apple or ginger for sweetness if you like. A word of caution though, beet juice can lower blood pressure, so if you're already on blood pressure medication, it's essential to talk to your doctor before adding beet juice to your diet. Start slow, maybe with a quarter cup a day, and see how your body responds. Next up is a classic green tea. This ancient beverage has been enjoyed for centuries for its health benefits, and for good reason. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight free radicals and protect our cells from damage. But here's where it gets interesting for our circulatory system. Green tea contains catechins, a specific type of antioxidant that's been shown to improve blood vessel function. These catechins can help relax the arteries, which in turn can lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. The best part, green tea is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it hot or cold, plain or with a touch of honey. You can even find green tea extracts in supplement form if you prefer. Ready to add some zing to your day? Let's talk about ginger tea. This warming beverage has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is backing up its potent health benefits. Ginger contains gingerols, compounds with impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation, as we know, can wreak havoc on our bodies, including our circulatory system. By reducing inflammation, ginger can help improve blood flow and even lower blood pressure. Making ginger tea is super easy. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger root and steep it in hot water for about 10 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey for extra flavor. Get ready for a taste of royalty. Pomegranate juice is not only delicious, but it's also a true gift for our circulatory system. These ruby red seeds are bursting with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which have been linked to improved blood flow. Pomegranates contain powerful compounds that can help stimulate the production of nitric oxide. Remember our friend from the beet juice discussion? Nitric oxide works its magic by relaxing blood vessels, which allows for better blood flow. Look for 100% pomegranate juice without any added sugars. You can drink it straight, dilute it with water, or even add it to smoothies for a nutritional boost. Last but certainly not least, we have the simplest drink of all, water, infused with lemon. You might be surprised to see plain old water on this list, but staying properly hydrated is absolutely crucial for healthy circulation. When we're dehydrated, our blood volume decreases, which can lead to thicker blood and slower circulation. Adding a squeeze of lemon not only enhances the flavor, but also provides a boost of vitamin C, an antioxidant that plays a vital role in collagen production, which keeps our blood vessels strong and elastic. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water and sip on it throughout the day. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your circulation and overall health. So there you have it, 5 incredible drinks that can help boost your circulation and energy levels. By incorporating these beverages into your diet, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to improve blood flow, deliver vital nutrients more efficiently, and feel your absolute best. Remember, these drinks are not magic bullets. They work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management techniques. Small, sustainable changes over time yield the most significant results. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more health-boosting content, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.